Welcome creators, I'm the Hommeyosh, and this is my channel, where we inspire creativity, explore game development, and bring Unreal Engine projects to life. In this video, I'm going to show you how I turned the Unreal Engine 5.7 third-person game template into a clean 5D side-scroller. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. So with that said, let's jump into the action. Okay, I'm going to open up my Epic browser in Unreal Engine here. I'm going to the libraries and I made a new template. I just kept it demo. It's just a third-person game template, just a regular one in 5.7, the newest version. So we're going to go ahead and open that. Okay, now that that's open, I'm just going to hit play, and I'm going to show you that this is just a regular third-person. You can scroll around, you can do everything in third-person mode. So we're going to go ahead and change that. First, I'm going to go to my content. Under my third person, I'm going under my blueprints here, and I'm going to look for the third person character blueprint. Open that up. The first thing I want to do is, you'll see the first thing you get is the event graph. The orbiting camera input logic, I want to go ahead and disable all of those. So instead of just deleting them, it's better to just disable for now. You could use it later on for something else if you're building a game. And slide over to the movement input logics. You'll see the enhanced action IA movement and the thumbstick. So you just want to go ahead and get rid of the X value. So hold Alt and click on the X value for the axis of X. And you're going to go ahead and compile that. Next I want to do is go into the viewport. And under camera boom, what I'm just gonna type in use, and you'll see use pawn controller rotation. I'm gonna uncheck that. I'm gonna click the X again, and I'm gonna change the target while having camera boom selected. The target arm length, 800 was pretty good for me. I'm gonna keep it there. And I also want to change the rotation, the yaw to negative 90. That's what I want. And I'm going to compile that. One more thing, the rotation, I'm going to go ahead and set that to world. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into follow camera, and under the details panel I'm going to go and just type in jump. I'm sorry, not follow camera, character movement is what I'm looking for. And I'm going to go ahead and type in jump, and I'm going to find jump Z velocity. I've been experimenting with 350, and then you fall down here, you'll see braking, deceleration, falling. I also was experimenting with 350. You can experiment yourself, put it as what you like. You can also call on these in the event graph. Say you put out a collision that he runs into, he gets a higher jump. So you put a delay on it. After 10 seconds, goes back to normal. You can do it like a Metroid, you find a different suit where you can jump higher, so on and so on. So we're going to go ahead and compile that, and now I'm going to go into the details panel here, and I'm going to go under the input, and I want the IMC default. So under here you have different mapping. I want the default key mapping. I'm going to drop down on that, and you'll get the mapping, and I'll put the drop down arrow again. And then I'm looking for the IA move, which I'm going to drop down the arrows. And all I'm going to do is I got the W and the D I'm going to switch. So what I'm going to do is hit this little keyboard here, and I'm going to hit D. And under the D, I'm going to hit the W. Now for the same thing for the S, I'm going to turn that into an A, and I'm going to turn the A into an S. And I'm going to go ahead and save that. You can close that out. So now I'm just going to go ahead and test this out. As you can see, I hit the D, he goes and moves right. I hit the A, he moves left. And as he jumps, he's not floating and he's falling a little bit faster. And that would be it for this video. If this video helped you turn your third person template into a working side scroller, hit that like button, subscribe, and check out the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay inspired and keep creating. I'll see you in the next one.